How to find supplier on Alibaba. To find a reliable supplier on Alibaba, you would start with the search bar and filter your result for verified and trade assurance seller as well, which offers important protection, and then search or research and the vet potential partners by checking the company profile, communication and transaction history as well. So basically, you want to open up alibaba.com on your device, and after you go to this section, what here you need to do is you could just use a search filter. So tap on the search bar at the top, and then where you want to log into Alibaba, type in the product you're looking for into the bar or search bar, and you can specify a particular product name or browse the broader category as well. So basically you could go ahead and do this, after which or after searching you can refine your result using the filter on the left side of the page. So basically you could go to the product section, and then you could go ahead and filter it out. Then you could select the trade assurance as well, filter to protect your order as well. And this service holds your payment until you confirm satisfactory delivery and allows for a refund if issue arise. And then what you need is here basically you want to narrow your search further by setting your desired minimum order quantity. You can go ahead and country of origin and specify the details as well. So basically this way you'll be able to find a supplier on alibaba.com. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.